Hi Cancer, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love check-in for the second half of July. So hope you guys are all doing well. Oops. And Cancer, you do know these are general collective readings, right? Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. Let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. Now we're good to go. Cancer, thank you all my subscribers. Very, very grateful for all your love. And if you're new here, please join us. We meet here once a week for an energy check-in for all zodiac signs. So do subscribe and be part of our little family. We welcome you. So all the newbies out here, let me explain this to you. Two sets of cards. One is person A, this is person B. And in the center, I have your mutual energies, right? So you decide which side you resonate best with. The High Priestess, yeah. A lot of thinking happening here, going inside and making some decisions. Two of Wands for person A. The Empress, fabulous. Nine of Wands. Four of Swords. Five of Cups. And the Sun in reverse. Let's see for person 2. Nine of Pentacles. The Chariot. Eight of Swords. The Tower, the Fool, and the Hanged Man. Oh, what's happening here, Cancer? Let's start with person A's energy here. Something has happened here in maybe a long-term stable relationship. Because we have the Two of Wands and we have this Empress here. Now the Empress is normally, you know, the wife, the mother of your children maybe, or whoever. And I also have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, which is the family card. So this could be something to do with a long-term relationship, a very stable relationship. So what is this Two of Wands, Spirit? What is this Two of Wands here? Conflict. Something happened here. Something happened here. This is not like you met somebody at the coffee shop yesterday kind of relationship. This is a person who you've known for a very long time, and now you kind of making some judgment calls after this conflict which has happened, right, in this relationship. Spirit, the Empress. The Okay, so this is somebody's trying to make up after this fight. Okay, somebody's trying to make up here after this fight to this Empress who seems to who has kind of look at this. Okay, look at this Empress and the Knight of Cups. So somebody's coming towards this feminine with an apology or a love offer or something, and the Empress seems to have turned her back to this Knight of Cups who's coming with this apology or whatever. After this fight which has happened, maybe somebody looked out somewhere. What is this Two of Wands, Spirit? What happened here? Why did this conflict take place? Some harsh words, some bitter, harsh words were spoken by both of you. Okay, there was some petty fight, I think, which happened, and the feminine and the masculine here were at their worst, I would say. The Queen of Swords is a very, very bitter, angry person, and so is the Knight of Swords. Like, he doesn't mind his words at all. He'll just come charging to kind of attack. But now I do see an apology coming to this this Empress here, but she's kind of looking away. Yeah, she's feeling a bit upset, like, things didn't work out the way I wanted, and things didn't go well, and she's kind of got her guard up here. She's trying to protect her energy. She's not feeling very, very balanced. I don't think this is a married couple though, because this person does come across as a Nine of Pentacles in reverse here, which is a single person, right? And there's a Nine of Pentacles this side as well. So both are in their reverse position. Both are not feeling very happy. Both are very single at the moment as well. So the same card on both sides means I have two people here, masculine and feminine, who wanted to make this work, who wanted to kind of come together in love. There was maybe something good happening here, but then a fight happened, which now kind of, they're trying to make up, or one person's trying to make up with the other and get some balance going back into this relationship. Both parties are here in the Nine of Pentacles in reverse position, where they are both single and unhappy to be single, I think. Person A is in the Four of Swords, not talking, just taking a rest, maybe sulking. So, Spirit, can we have a card, please, for the Four of Swords here? Taking time out, reflecting on what has happened. Feeling very, very sad because everything stopped right after the fight. Now I don't think you guys are talking to each other. So whatever happiness was happening has kind of just stalled. And this person is in deep reflection over it and also thinking, oh my God, what happened? Is very, very regretful, very upset, very sad, depressed at the moment, looking at everything that fell apart in the recent past, I think. Not feeling happy at all. The sun is just not shining anymore. Very, very upset and miserable. So, Spirit, can I have a card for the Five of Cups, please? This person A feels that they had a lot of love for person B. I think this is the feminine we're talking about here on person A's side. She feels, I had a lot of love for this person, but this person B has tricked me. Okay, this person was not authentic and played games with me and has upset me, and I'm not happy, and I'm just not happy. So, yeah, so there is an Empress and a Queen of Cups who's beautiful here. She's beautiful. She's got it all together. She's financially well off. She's got everything intact except her love life, because somebody kind of did the nasty, and now she is missing and regretting and everything else. Let's see. Let's see the other person. As I said, this person is also single, not happy, not feeling at their best, and they do have the Chariot in their position, in their upright position, which means they want to come back charging, right? They want to be victorious. Look at how many horses here. My God, this man has the Chariot, 2 horses here and 1 horse here, and all in victory position. They want to be victorious with person A. They want to feel happy again. They want to come charging back in, because being single is not suiting them at all, and they're not happy. If they were holding back, or they felt the other person was holding back from them, they just want to release it now. They don't want to hold back anymore. They can't hold back anymore, and they are like, just want to come forward. They've been so in their mind as well. They've been so stressed out, and they know it's their fault somewhere. They know this tower has fallen because it's their fault. Maybe they were juggling. Maybe they were not, this person B, okay, person B feels, I want to be out of this stressful position. I don't want to go back and forth in my mind, and I'm depressed and sad, and I don't want to juggle anymore. I don't want any other options. I don't want to accept anybody else's love. I want this communication with my Empress. Okay, I want this communication to start again, and this person is trying to find their courage now. They're trying to find their courage, and they feel very, very foolish. Whatever has happened, Cancer, whoever this is, the masculine this side, is feeling terrible because they really wanted this fresh beginning with you. They want to make a choice now in love. They don't want to fight anymore. Okay, this Nine of Wands upright is a person who's ready to fight another day. So this is in reverse. Lots of these cards, yeah. 8 of Swords is in reverse. Tower is in reverse. They don't want to fight anymore, and they are feeling very foolish that they missed out on a fresh new beginning with you. They could have had this, and they know it's their fault, because the Tower in reverse is, signifying, yes, they are miserable and they know things are going wrong here. Maybe there were secrets kept, and right now they're confused as to what to do about them. This, whatever has come out, Cancer, has put them in a very, very stuck position. Very stuck position. They are trying to go within, trying to see clearly now as to what to do. They're trying to get enlightened as to how can I get out of this stuck position, and I don't want to play around anymore. I don't want to be, they just want to come back to you. Simple as that. They want victory with you. Yeah, they want to move to calmer place with you. This water has been too rocky for them, and they want to now sail away to calmer times with you and be happy. They definitely want to put the work in with you, and guess what kind of work? The Four of Wands. They want this with you, feminine, whoever you are, Cancer or cross watcher. They're not happy without you at all. So let's see your mutual energies now. 10 of Cups in reverse, 10 of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. Excellent. So both of you have realized now that you are not happy without each other. There is no wish fulfillment, right? Both of you are not feeling happy at all. Both feeling very, very burdened. Let's see. Now we have the Ace of Pentacles also in your mutual energy, which means a fresh, new, stable beginning. Now what we have to clarify here, Cancer, is it going to be together or... Let's see. So 10 of Cups, Spirit. Why both in the 10 of Cups? Yeah, because they realize that they've lost the love. Maybe this was a very passionate connection where you felt very bound to each other and a lot of sexual chemistry. And without having this, person A and person B both are feeling very emotionally drained and not happy. Yes, not happy. Sun in reverse again. Not happy without the other person. 10 of Wands, Spirit. Why are they both in the 10 of Wands energy as well? Now both of you. See, this was the card earlier. 10 of Cups in reverse. This is how you both were feeling, because this is how you both want to feel. 10 of Cups upright. This is so burdening not to have this. This is all you both keep dreaming about. It's become so heavy, missing this person all the time, figuring out how you can have this person back in your life. And person A, this is not just person B, okay? These are your mutual energies. So don't tell me that, you are still upset and you don't want them. You definitely want them. You don't want to move ahead in anything but love. Okay, this is what both of you are wanting. You want to release all this burden and stress and tension that has been in your life, and I think trying to see things from a higher perspective now. Whatever fight happened, just kind of think about it. Maybe it wasn't all one person's fault. Maybe each one has something to say about that fight. And now let's see our final card here, Ace of Coins. Spirit, why is the Ace of Pentacles here? Okay, one more. Oh my God, Cancer. Cancer. Nobody's going anywhere, first of all. Nobody's going anywhere. Oh my God, this is so beautiful, so beautiful. I wish I could take a screenshot of this. This is in your mutual energy. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. I need a moment here. This is so beautiful, Cancer. Quickly, I need a thumbs up now. Quickly, hurry up. This is unbelievable. This is in your mutual. You think of your masculine as the perfect spouse. He thinks of you as the perfect spouse. And both of you want a brand new beginning together. What is there even to clarify after this? Oof. Fantastic. Yeah, no, nobody's turning their back on anyone here. Let's see now what are their hidden feelings towards you, Cancer. Cancer, whether you're the masculine or feminine, how does your person feel? What are the hidden feelings when they think of you? Oh. One more. What is Cancer's person feeling now? Cancer, your person feels that, the justice has not been done in this relationship, right? Maybe there were other options that they had, or they left you in a lot of confusion. Yes, because they have two cards of confusion here, right? The Moon and the Seven of Cups. So I think they did not do the right thing by you, by not sharing their feelings completely, and left you feeling very confused and not knowing where this was going. But Cancer, they definitely want to work now towards a stable start with you again. They want to put in the work now, and this is going to be good. Okay, this person is very dedicated at what he's doing. So this is how they feel towards you, Cancer. So Cancer, how do you feel? What are your hidden feelings? How do you feel regarding your person? Okay, that's good. How do you feel towards your person? Cancer, you are feeling that I am not going to make any decision right now till this person comes to me clean and has communication with me, like in a very forthright way about why they ghosted you, why they left you out in the cold, why they abandoned you, and why did this relationship not work, right? So right now you've closed your eyes and you've put these swords over your chest to say, I am not going to make any decision till I get clarity of, and it's coming, right? It's coming. We already saw that. But these are your feelings towards them right now. So if you're Cancer's cross watcher, please know Cancer loves you a lot as well. They're just waiting for you to communicate and give them the honest truth. So any advice for Cancer now, Spirit? Any advice for Cancer? Any advice for Cancer? Can we have a word of advice for Cancer, please? Oops, so many cards. Cancer, Spirit says if there's been stagnancy in this relationship, right? I think it's time now for a reunion. Okay, time is coming for a reunion now. Stagnancy is going to come to a halt, right? It's time to put in some investment. Both of you have to put some work in now. Look at this farmer sowing his seeds for a healthy crop to happen, right? Similarly, Spirit says, Cancer, you also have to now invest in this relationship, and yes, maybe go back to the soulmate who is so special to you, and this person is your soulmate, yes. But I do think as of now, as I'm doing this reading, you people haven't come together. You're just keeping like a watch on each other or spying on each other or something like that. But it's got potential. That's all I can say. You're a perfect match, and don't miss this opportunity. One blessing card as well, Spirit, for Cancer. Healing is coming, Cancer. Sorry, healing is definitely coming around this relationship, and also Spirit tells me that it's time for you to heal yourself also, your heart. So by the time this person approaches you, you are in a better state of mind and can receive this person better. But healing is coming. Everything is going to be well. I'm very happy to do this reading for you. And when this person comes, Cancer, just be a bit generous with your time and your energy and your compassion. Okay? Don't hold back too much. That's all I have for you, Cancer. Hope this worked for you. Do leave a comment if it did. And if you're new, subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Love and light.